simple like that. That was my groove pattern. Yeah, so from here, so I should add let's add some nice guitar. We add some nice, yeah, it's no RNB, you know, when it need to create a good, yeah. Let's go with this. To jump to the yeah, so let's come to then yes, yeah. So let's add here note. No, I want to do I just don't want to go more crazy, so I try to get just a simple rhythm. Should put it here. Here. So let's go. Yes, so I should go with this. Yeah, simple like that. So I really appreciate how it sounds. So let's create here something. So let's add this menu pattern here. Let's go. I want to add something also. Just I want, there's something I want here. It is from yeah, theme sense. That is stock plugin also. So I just need here. It is we saw something. Yeah, I really like how it sounds. So. Sound. Yeah. I like the sound, so let's put. Yeah, so I just realized to put a slide note here. See how it sounds. No, just here. Yeah, so I think I like this bit. Let's go with this. So the good thing I try here is to add some vibe on that's the whistle. So to add the sound, that's the whistle, legacy instruments, then strings. So I think this will be good. So it'll be good. So I just try. So as you know, so it's good when you want to create beat, you should comply both external VST and stock plugin. Sound there is sound in stock plugin sound really good, so that is why I prefer to use it. So I don't know what's going on here. So let's hear how it sound when I come as D sharp. So let's use this patch. Let's go with this, copy, then let's put it down. So let be Control then Shift Control X, come here, add my pattern. So I tried to put it here, so I just use my guitar and also play here. So this is round when it comes chorus. This is chorus. So let's go. Start with this. Start with this. So let's see, arrange. That is verse, bass coming, and a kick. One, two, say. Yeah, my name is Joe Fox at Easy, my man. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Yeah, it is how you can play a emotional beat, R&B or whatever. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So I will be available in Instagram as producer_Joe Fox. So if it's better and you follow me, yeah. So thank you, and here we go.